After a long and tiring day at Typhoon Lagoon, where we got our free entry on our Disney Hotel check-in day, we headed to our first resort of the season, Disney's Coronado Springs Resort, and we couldn't wait to see what it was like. Amazing. No, it's so cool. We checked in through the Disney app, where we received our room number so we could head straight to the room without having to wait at the front desk. Here it is. Yo! Amazing! Oh, look at that! They already put it. Look at this beautiful view. Oh, look! There's a perfect view of the pool. Look at that! Now we are going to eat.
Ready for dinner.
Say hey to Mickey. So cute. Two things to say. The chips are really good and really strange. Stranger Things, no better.
Bon appetit.
A few moments later.
Alex, what happened?
The chips were not really good. It's because they were too spicy.
What about the burger?
It was really good.
The burger good?
Yeah, good.
Only if
To be honest, I like the chips. They're a little spicy, so it makes it good.
Also, my turkey club was good. And the chips, not really. So this was the area of the ranchos and the casitas. And then there is another area with the cabanas. We are in the tower, which is the main building. And from our room, you can see everything. It's amazing.
Why?
too small and no slants.
This one's way calmer than the other one.
Better. For me and mom.
There are more bunnies than squirrels.
I thought that was white. I thought that so.
The next morning.
You know what that means, don't you, Figaro? It's time!
I want hot chocolate and, I don't know, maybe a chocolate chip cookie.
I want a cappuccino with croissant.
Wait just a sec.
$50. For this
Okay.
thing.
It's worth it for this. It's giants.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let's see. $5 of
Big yeah.
coffee in a paper cup.
Now we're gonna try the slime.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, let's go the slide. But with my goggles edition. Woohoo! That's so fun.
Lunch at El Mercado was a bad choice. We tried the hot honey chicken sandwich, and it may have been the worst meal we've ever had at Disney Resort. Soggy bread and a watery sauce with plenty of heat, but no honey flavor at all.
At least now the chips are really good.
The next morning.
Are you ready?
Yeah. we went back to El Mercado for Mickey waffles, a Disney breakfast staple for us. Then we checked out of the hotel and wrapped up our staycation with a visit to the nearest park, Animal Kingdom, where we met a few characters and spent the day exploring.